sport. They started making money hand over fist, and within 10 years they realized they cannot keep up with demand for all of this revenue. They're making money hand over fist, and they realized that we need more. We need more of everything. We need more locomotives, we need more freight equipment, we need passenger cars, we need a bigger facility to be able to take care of all of this equipment. And so in 1851, they came over to this site and they broke ground on it. They started with the turntable right there. That's really the heart of the roundhouse. We're about to be going on to the turntable itself. Now, the entire 1850s complex is completed by 1855. The Central of Georgia Railroad operates this entire site all the way up until 1963, when they're bought out by the Southern Railroad. One of the interesting things about this site and this museum that I constantly keep coming back to is how everything had to evolve. Changes in steam locomotive technology. The buildings had to grow, the locomotives got bigger, and everything had to adapt. This whole site, this whole facility, it wasn't just for repairing steam locomotives, it was fully self-sufficient. So this entire area of the site back over here was solely for maintenance of rail cars, passenger cars, freight cars, what have you. Fully self-sufficient. Anything you needed made here, you could make it right here on this site. Now, where we're parked right now, if you can believe it or not, this would have connected us to our main line, and the way it would have done that is there was a bridge that went over what's now Louisville Road. It used to be called Railroad Street. They tore our bridge out in the mid-70s. The story I heard is that trucks kept getting stuck underneath it. We had a guy come in that said, yeah, I remember having to come up Louisville and had to let all the air out of my tires to get underneath that bridge. And so, by the mid-70s, the city just decided, let's get rid of it. It's too much of a hassle. So unfortunately, that's all right. We have a wonderful set of buildings that we love very, very much. Alright, so here's the 493 big silver coach. This is what's known as a railway post office. You may see it painted on the letter slide.